एग्जैक्टली सरोगेसी क्लिनिक होता क्या है? सो सरोगेसी क्लिनिक इज द वन वेयर यू आर undergoing the process of surrogacy. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Neha Gupta from Mediworld Fertility. Today we are going to talk about what considerations you should have when you're choosing the right surrogacy clinic. So surrogacy के बारे में हमने अपनी पिछली वीडियो में बात करा था. If you want to know about surrogacy, you can follow my previous video. Today we'll discuss about what considerations you should have when you're choosing the surrogacy clinic. Exactly surrogacy clinic होता क्या है? So surrogacy clinic is the one where you are undergoing the process of surrogacy. So these clinics should be registered with PCPNDT and the IVF and the surrogacy board. These clinics are the ones which are certified by the government, which are doing all the surrogacy procedures according to the norms or the rules laid down by the government. So how to choose the right surrogacy clinic, what you should have in mind when you're looking for a surrogacy clinic. So to choose the best clinic, I feel first thing you should know is that is the clinic registered, is the paperwork in place, what is the experience of the gynecologist and the embryologist who are working there, what is the success rate for the IVF process and the surrogacy process, what all things are they considering when they are doing surrogacy for you, if they can help you out with your legal work, जो आपका कानूनी कागज़ हैं जिनको रेडी करना है उनके लीगल एडवाइज़र्स आर दे इन प्लेस, क्या वो आपको हेल्प कर आपका सरोगेसी के लिए एनरोलमेंट पूरा करा सकते हैं. दीज आर द थिंग्स विच you should keep in mind. So when we talk about a good surrogacy clinic, we want to say what services a surrogacy clinic offers. Do they have IVF, ICSI facilities, embryo freezing facilities, whether they have any genetic facilities for testing the genetic aneuploidy which can happen in the embryo before doing the transfer, how is their lab, is the lab accredited, do they have all the equipments and paraphernalia that is needed to undergo an IVF and surrogacy process. I think that is the most important thing you should keep in mind. What is the experience and qualification of the embryologist and the gynecologist who are handling your case? What is the transparency that is there? आपको कितना क्लैरिटी से वो आपके प्रोसीजर के बारे में बता रहे हैं. आपका IVF होने के बाद what are the number of eggs that they caught, what were the number of embryos that were formed, how many embryos do they want to transfer, एक बार में कितने बच्चे वो सरोगेट में ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे. ये सारी चीज़ें आपसे ईजिली डिस्कस करें और आपको इन चीज़ों के बारे में पता हो, ट्रांसपेरेंसी हो. आई फील दैट्स द बेस्ट प्लेस टू बी. Now, what are the legal aspects that we should keep in mind? So, there should be a legal advisor and a good counseling team which should be there in these surrogacy clinics, which should help the couple understand what is the paperwork that is involved, how to get the clearance for the surrogate mother, what all steps are there in this surrogacy process. इन सारी चीज़ों को काउंसलर और उनका लीगल एडवाइज़र which involves an advocate, all these people should be working in an integrated environment. ये सब साथ में आपको हेल्प करेंगे तो आपका प्रोसेस बहुत आसानी से हो पाएगा. So if you are choosing the surrogacy clinic, keep these things in mind. अगर आपको surrogacy या surrogacy से related कोई भी questions हैं आपके माइंड में जो आप डिस्कस करना चाहते हैं या जिनके बारे में आप आसानी से इंफॉर्मेशन आपको नहीं मिलती है, you can come to us, speak to us, see our setup, see the paraphernalia, understand how we can make it a smooth process. And इसके बारे में अगर आप हमसे मिलना चाहते हैं, these informations is displayed on the screen. You can come and meet us or you can speak to us over the phone. I hope this video is useful for you and you are able to share it with people who might be needing a surrogacy process. Thank you so much.